So today I want to give you an update on how to obtain South African citizenship by naturalization. Okay. So why by naturalization? Basically we have three reasons to obtain South African citizenship, birth being the predominant one, and then obviously adoption is another one, and then it's really naturalization. And I want to talk only about naturalization. Naturalization is the case when a foreigner comes to South Africa, obtains permanent residence for a certain period of time, and then after having the permanent residence for a certain period of time, then applies for citizenship. Okay? So that's naturalization. That's what I'm talking about. So when do you qualify for citizenship based on naturalization? In essence, the main requirement is you must be the holder of a valid permanent residence for more than 5 years, not 10. There is some contradictions in the old regulations, but this has all been changed. Permanent residence based you must have for more than 5 years, then you qualify potentially for citizenship by naturalization. The second requirement is that the country of your current nationality approves of having dual nationality. Okay? And our Department of Home Affairs wants to have a letter from your mission, so from your embassy or consulate, confirming that you're allowed to obtain a second passport, so to say. Okay? In Europe, liberal countries are France, Italy, and Great Britain, and very strict ones are usually, Germany, the Netherlands, potentially Switzerland. So it depends on that. But a lot of countries do actually allow dual passports. US, Australia, etc. Very liberal, right? So you need that letter. And then also there is a physical presence requirement. So they're looking at the travel dates in the years before you apply for citizenship. And in particular last year, you must watch out that you didn't leave South Africa. And I need to check, but I think the law says you shouldn't have left at all, but I don't think under 90 days is probably not a problem. But you need to be aware that there's a clear presence requirement in the years before you apply for citizenship by naturalization. Okay? So you cannot be for more than 6 months outside the country, or for a full year on some travel plan, or I don't know, student holiday or language course. So you need to be really, really aware of that. Okay? So South Africa wants to make sure that South Africa is your home, and I think they're absolutely entitled to do that if they grant citizenship. And then obviously you need documents, and the documents are predominantly the permanent residence certificate, birth certificate, and a couple of other documents, which are pretty standard. And they're not difficult to obtain. The permanent residence is obviously the crucial thing. And then you apply for citizenship at a Department of Home Affairs. It's Civic Matters. The processing times depends a little bit. My own one took 6 months, so that was quite cool. My recent reports is in a similar way. And then when you hand over or you get your citizenship, then normally there's also a ceremony involved, where you basically have to confirm the Constitution of South Africa, and there's a certain handover protocol involved. So that's really citizenship by naturalization. So 5 years, permanent residence holder, you might qualify, and think of the dual nationality allowance and the physical presence days before you apply. Thank you very much, and if you have questions, please contact us. Bye-bye.